In our previous video, we gave a brief overview of the pathogen known as Japanese encephalitis virus. And for today's lesson, we want to cover the vaccine that's used to protect against Japanese encephalitis, known as Ixiaro. This is an inactivated, killed form of Japanese encephalitis virus, meaning that it's not going to have a chance to give anyone that live infection. And the way that it's made is that first, Japanese encephalitis virus is grown in the lab, and then it's killed with a chemical. But that chemical keeps the proteins safe in that virus, and that's critical for the aspects of the vaccine. Because when the vaccine is administered, those killed forms of Japanese encephalitis virus are going to start breaking apart inside of our body, turning into a variety of different proteins that our immune cells are then going to be able to recognize that those don't belong here, create immunity against those particular proteins, and then remember them in the future. Therefore, if someone comes in contact with a live Japanese encephalitis virus, our immune cells are going to recognize that it has proteins associated with what it's seen in the past and elicit an immune response, especially proteins that are found on the outside of these viruses. Now, the scheduling for Ixiaro is 2 doses that are about 1 month apart. However, since this is a travel vaccine for individuals going to areas where Japanese encephalitis virus is found, there is a rapid schedule for those who are 18 to 65 years old and approved by their primary care provider, where they can receive the doses on day 0 and on day 7. And typically a booster isn't necessary, but it could be given for individuals who have continued exposure risk of Japanese encephalitis virus. So if you have a topic that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin.